Close your eyes and meet the Bahamas. Here, powder-soft sands, unreal blues and warm breezes reset your pace. In this guide, you'll see the island's best beaches, calm bays for paddleboarding, and snorkeling spots. Yes, even a cinematic grotto. We'll taste conch fresh from the sea, sip a Bahama, mama, and move to local music as the sun goes down. You'll get a simple 5-day plan, plus what it costs, when to visit, where to stay, how to get around, etiquette, and packing must-haves. With quick answers to your most asked questions. Take a breath, paradise is closer than you think. Let's begin with the beaches. Let's start with the main event, the very heart of the Bahamian dream, the beaches. With over 700 islands and 2,000 Ks, the Bahamas offers an almost endless variety of shorelines, each with its own unique character and charm. These are not just any beaches, they are legendary strips of coastline pulled from a postcard, where the sand is as soft as powdered sugar and the water glows in 100 shades of blue. On the main island of New Providence, you have the famous Cable Beach. This is the vibrant heart of Nassau's resort district, a long, sweeping curve of soft sand lined with luxury hotels, bustling restaurants, and the gentle rhythm of the waves. It's the perfect spot for people watching, grabbing a cool drink, and enjoying easy access to every amenity you could wish for. For something truly unique, a short ferry ride takes you to Harbor Island and its world-renowned Pink Sands Beach. The magical color comes from foraminifera, microscopic crushed coral insects that wash ashore, giving the entire 3-mile shoreline a beautiful rosy glow, especially at sunrise and sunset. It's a quieter, more romantic alternative to the bustle of Nassau. But to truly escape, you must venture to the out islands, particularly the Exumas. Here, you'll find countless deserted cays and sandbars that appear and disappear with the tides. Beaches like the Tropic of Cancer Beach are pristine, untouched stretches of paradise where your footprints might be the only ones you see all day. No matter which beach you choose, the water is a constant, perfect invitation. It's almost always the ideal temperature, hovering between 75 and 84 degrees Fahrenheit year-round. The clarity is astonishing, allowing you to see your toes even when you're shoulder-deep. It's simply perfect for a long, lazy swim, letting the gentle currents wash your worries away. Beyond just swimming, the waters of the Bahamas are a playground for exploration. Kayaking and paddleboarding are fantastic ways to explore the calm, shallow bays at your own pace, giving you a unique perspective of the coastline and the marine life just below the surface. But renting a snorkel set is one of the easiest and most rewarding things you can do. You don't need to be an expert diver. Just a few feet from the shore, you can find yourself floating weightlessly above colorful coral gardens teeming with life. You'll see schools of bright yellowtail snappers and electric blue chromis darting around you,